What if I told you that a tiny herb in your kitchen could be one of the most powerful natural remedies on the planet? Imagine something that not only makes your meals taste amazing, but can also fight off infections, boost your immune system, and even help with digestion. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's oregano. Today we're diving into this ancient herb that's been revered for thousands of years. You'll learn why it's much more than just a pizza topping and how it can seriously improve your health. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll be looking at oregano in a whole new way. Oregano, or Oreganum vulgare, is a herb from the mint family that's native to the Mediterranean but now found in kitchens around the world. With its strong aroma and slightly peppery taste, oregano has made its mark as a key ingredient in countless cuisines. But its story doesn't end there. It's not just a flavorful herb, it's been used for centuries for its remarkable health benefits. Let's explore why it's earned a spot as a go-to herb in both your spice rack and your medicine cabinet. Oregano's story dates back to ancient Greece, where it was more than just a culinary herb. The name oregano comes from the Greek words oros, meaning mountain, and ganos, meaning joy or delight, essentially meaning joy of the mountains. And the ancient Greeks weren't just about the flavor, they used oregano for its medicinal properties too. In fact, soldiers and athletes in ancient Greece applied oregano to their wounds to help them heal faster, and used it for muscle pain relief. They understood oregano's healing powers long before we did. While oregano is often linked to its healing properties, let's not forget about its starring role in the kitchen. It's an essential herb in Mediterranean, Italian, and Mexican cuisine. From pizza to pasta and grilled meats to salads, oregano is the herb that adds depth and flavor to dishes. But did you know that there are different types of oregano? Mediterranean oregano, with its bold, peppery flavor, is the one most of us are familiar with, while Mexican oregano has a more earthy, citrusy taste. So, depending on what you're cooking, oregano can totally change the flavor profile of your meal. So what makes oregano so powerful, both in the kitchen and as a medicinal herb? The secret lies in its essential oils, particularly carvacrol, thymol, and rosmarinic acid. These compounds are responsible for oregano's strong aroma, and are what give the herb its health-boosting benefits. Carvacrol. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, thymol provides antifungal and antimicrobial effects. Rosmarinic acid, an antioxidant that helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation. These active compounds work together to make oregano a powerhouse for your health. Now let's dive into why oregano has been so highly regarded throughout history, not just for its flavor, but for its amazing health benefits. First, antioxidant powerhouse oregano is packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This means it could help reduce inflammation and prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Second, immune support. Oregano is a natural immune booster. The compounds in oregano, especially carvacrol, work to strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and viruses. It's a natural ally in cold and flu season. Oregano has long been used to help with digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It stimulates bile production, which helps in fat breakdown and improves overall digestion. It's your gut's best friend. Oregano oil especially has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. In fact, studies have shown that oregano oil can kill harmful bacteria and viruses, making it an effective natural remedy for various infections. Oregano has been traditionally used to treat respiratory issues like asthma, bronchitis, and seasonal allergies. Its anti-inflammatory properties help open up your airways and clear out mucus, making it easier to breathe. For centuries, oregano has been used to relieve muscle pain and joint discomfort. It's even included in modern pain relief creams. Simply apply diluted oregano oil to sore muscles and you'll feel the difference. Now let's talk about one of the simplest and most effective ways to enjoy oregano's benefits: oregano tea. It's easy to make and perfect for soothing your digestion, easing a sore throat, or even tackling a cough. Here's how to make it. First, boil about a cup of water, then add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves or a handful of fresh leaves to your tea infuser or directly into your cup. Next, pour the boiling water over the oregano and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the leaves if necessary and enjoy. For a little extra flavor, add a spoonful of honey. There you have it. Oregano isn't just a spice you sprinkle on pizza. It's a versatile, powerful herb that has been used for thousands of years to improve health and treat various ailments. From boosting your immune system and fighting infections to aiding digestion and soothing sore muscles, oregano is truly a gift from nature. So, the next time you use oregano in your cooking, remember, it's more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a natural remedy that can do wonders for your health. If you've learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who need to know about the power of oregano. And, as always, leave a comment below if you've ever used oregano for health benefits. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the world of herbs.